Diane in Denmark here, rah, rah, rah. So what are you going to declutter today? We're looking for one item, at least one item, and I'm checking with you every day here on YouTube all the month of February, and I teach the Flylady system. If you want to join me in that, I'm working by Flylady Zone, and this week is Flylady Zone 3, the bathroom plus one other room. A bath mat, this one is going because I bought a new one from IKEA, and I had a look. This bath mat is from 2018, maybe even 2017, so it's done a lot of service. So that one is going, and this one is coming in. You know, it's the old rule of one in, one out. And I've got two bath mats so that I can have one in the wash and one clean. So that one's going in the wash. And there was a box here in the bathroom, and it's extra contact lenses from the kids. I'll get them to check those next time they're here, because they may be expired ones, or maybe their strength has changed. Perfume bottle, don't know why I was hanging on to that. I used all the perfume, I filled it up a bit with water, and now it's finished. So that is going in glass recycling and plastic recycling. I know I'm not going to keep the bottle. And I used the face mask last night, so that can go. And also think about your plants. Have you got some dead plants? These are the snowdrops that I've had in the kitchen beside the sink, and now they've flowered, and what I will do is I'll dig them back down into the garden. And it is Flylady Plan and Play Day, so remember to plan your menus, look at what's coming up in the diary. Have you planned something for today? Are you going out for Valentine's Day? It's not really a big thing in Denmark, but hubby and I were meeting straight after work for a cozy dinner, just the two of us. I'm looking forward to that. And I've also been in touch with my friend Erica from America, because we got an advent calendar. I've been mentioning it on Instagram and Facebook. We bought an advent calendar for Copenhagen, and everything that was on the calendar was a voucher, a coupon for something. And it wasn't 20% off, it was an actual thing, like a glass of wine or a free Danish pastry. And we've got our little coupons, so we've been going through our cards and meeting up each week and having a little bit of fun together with that. Have you got anything from Christmas? Maybe you got a voucher, maybe you've got Christmas stuff that needs to be exchanged. Let's get that done as well this week. Let me know what you are going to declutter. Remember, just look for one thing. And remember to like the video, subscribe, blah, 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 blah. You know the score by now. I am off. I'm starting the day with a skinny dip sea swim with my bestie, Vibeke. So I'm going to go and do that. Then I will get the video uploaded, off to work. I shall see you tomorrow, Wednesday, with a rah, rah, rah. Okay, bye for now.